Hi, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a bidet, the Luxe Bidet Neo 120. Then I'm going to do a quick installation and give it a demo and let you know what I think. First of all, I'd like to say it comes with a handy carrying case, just in case, I guess, if you're going to a friend's house and they don't have a bidet, so you have this handle. Wow, this looks like somebody might have already opened this. That's never a good sign, because there could be parts missing. It could be used. Okay, so it appears it's not used. And it says the ultimate unboxing guide. Wow, so I don't even have to write a script. The ultimate unboxing guide, register your bidet online. That's right. You have to register this thing. Install your bidet. Installation is simple, does not require plumbing experience, and follow the directions, it says. And yeah, no, I don't ever follow directions. Oh, and here's number 3 bulletin point. Fall in love with your bidet. Fall in love. So I'm currently not in love, and so I had no idea that this is one of the benefits of my new bidet. The 4th bulletin is spread the word. It's not spread your. If you enjoy the Luxe Bidet, share your experience and encourage others to make a healthy investment in the Luxe Bidet. And I guess that's what I'm doing right now. There's not a lot in this box. Wow. They gave me a plastic wrench. Great. Because I don't own a wrench and you don't either. Owner's manual. So light reading that we'll do in a little bit. So here is the gist of it. And what do I... Banana, I told you to stay off the counter. Stay off the counter. Go on, get out of here. Love you. So what do we have here? I don't really know. Okay, so I guess if this part is the toilet and this is the back, and you're sitting here, then that sits down in the back. These are the controls. There's a cover. It looks like it fits on here. So here's the other part, which is just the hose. And I sort of have a small idea of how this is going to work, but I didn't look a lot into it. So there's one more thing in here. I don't know, whipped cream? Is it? You know what? This was returned, this item, so I don't know how this or why this is here. But hey, let's go get this installed. Come on, let's go. Okay, so step 1, go to the toilet, sit on it, put on your pants, just like normal. And then I'm gonna turn this thing on slightly. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh man. Oh yeah. Okay, so seems to work really well, and dare I say it feels nice too. You'll be surprised. Okay, so you still need to use toilet paper. So I said this is the old pioneering way, but instead of using an entire roll every time, you're just gonna need to use, a few pieces. So, okay. I want to show you just how powerful this thing is. So, God, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, I don't know, for $60, $70, $50, I'm not sure how much I spent. Seems like a really, really cool thing to save toilet paper and less trees and way more clean, right? Because basically, when you go to the restroom and you go and then you use toilet paper, you're going to get a lot of that out, but not all of it, right? And then what are you basically doing? You're just pushing it into your skin, right? So that's kind of gross, right? So, yeah, this is the evolution of man. Okay, so this is basically a review after I've used this thing for a couple of weeks now. I'd like to say overall, I'm really happy with it. I'm glad I got it. I've had a lot of fun with it, which is kind of weird. I do have to admit, it took me a little over a week before I could use it without laughing or screaming. Well, you probably don't understand, but if you get one, you will. So mine is a rather simple version, and the spray nozzle doesn't move a lot, or doesn't move at all. It doesn't move at all. You just have to kind of move your body to get it exactly where you want, and that's not really a big deal. But some of the nicer units have, I guess, a little bit of a controller, and you can aim it in different places. They might be electric though, and the thing about electric, you get a lot more features. But think about it though. Like, do you really want a stream of water close to some, to an electrical current hitting you in the? You still do need toilet paper. In fact, one weird thing is I've noticed if I don't use enough toilet paper, then I walk away and I feel like I got a wet diaper on. kind of takes you back though, But so just make sure you get everything dry before you leave. If you want to find out what it feels like and you don't want to buy one, you can always do a handstand in the shower. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think kind of everybody should have one, and it's a great quarantine gift. Hey, if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.